Want to grow big, fresh broccoli at home without making it complicated? Broccoli loves cooler weather, making it a great crop for spring and fall gardens. But timing, temperature, watering, and harvesting all matter. In this beginner-friendly guide, I'll show you how to grow broccoli from planting all the way to harvest, and how to avoid the mistakes that can leave you with tiny broccoli heads. The first secret to successful broccoli is timing. Broccoli is a cool season vegetable. It grows best when temperatures are mild rather than during the hottest part of summer. For a fall harvest, broccoli usually needs to get established before cold weather arrives. Because planting dates vary by location, check your area's average first frost date and the days to maturity for your variety. If you're getting a late start, buying young broccoli transplants can save valuable growing time. Broccoli needs plenty of sunlight to produce strong plants and healthy heads. Choose a location that receives around 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Broccoli can grow in garden beds, raised beds, and large containers. Just remember, this plant gets much bigger than it looks when it's sitting in that tiny nursery pot. Give it room to grow. Broccoli grows best in rich, well-draining soil. Before planting, work compost or other organic matter into your garden bed. For containers, choose a quality potting mix and make sure your container has drainage holes. Healthy soil helps broccoli develop the strong roots it needs to support those large leaves and eventually produce a good-sized head. Here's one beginner mistake that's easy to make: planting broccoli too close together. Those little seedlings won't stay little for long. Always check your seed packet or plant label for the recommended spacing for your variety. Crowded broccoli plants compete for sunlight, water, and nutrients. Good spacing also improves airflow around the plants. If you're growing broccoli in containers, give each plant plenty of room instead of squeezing several plants into one small pot. Broccoli likes consistent moisture. Long periods of dry soil followed by heavy watering can stress the plant. Check your garden regularly and water deeply when needed, especially while plants are becoming established. Try watering near the base of the plant instead of constantly soaking the leaves. And remember, moist soil is good. Soggy soil isn't. Good drainage is just as important as regular watering. Step 6. Feed your broccoli. Broccoli is a fairly hungry vegetable. Starting with compost-rich soil gives your plants a strong foundation. As they grow, you may need to provide additional nutrients depending on your soil and the fertilizer you're using. Always follow the directions on your fertilizer rather than assuming more is better. Too much fertilizer can cause problems just as easily as too little. Step 7. Watch for pests. If something starts chewing holes in your broccoli leaves, don't panic. Broccoli and other vegetables in the cabbage family can attract several common garden pests. Check your plants regularly, especially underneath the leaves. Catching a problem early is much easier than dealing with a heavily damaged plant later. Before treating anything, identify what's actually causing the damage. A quick garden check every few days can save you a lot of trouble. Step 8. Why isn't my broccoli making a head? You've grown a huge broccoli plant, but where's the broccoli? There are several possible reasons. The plant may still be too young. Hot temperatures can stress broccoli. Inconsistent watering can also affect growth. And if your plant doesn't receive enough sunlight or nutrients, it may struggle to produce the head you expected. Give your broccoli the right conditions and some patience. Remember, gardening happens on the plant's schedule, not ours. Know when to harvest. Don't wait until your broccoli head starts flowering. Harvest while the main head is firm and the individual buds are still tightly closed. Use a clean, sharp knife to cut the main head with several inches of stem attached. And here's the best part: don't pull the plant out yet. Many broccoli varieties can produce smaller side shoots after the main head is harvested. Those smaller heads mean more broccoli from the same plant. 5. Beginner mistakes to avoid. Before you go, remember these 5 mistakes. Don't plant broccoli during extreme heat. Don't overcrowd your plants. Don't allow the soil to repeatedly dry out. Don't ignore damaged leaves. And don't wait too long to harvest. Avoid those 5 mistakes, and you're already ahead of many first-time broccoli growers. Broccoli might look intimidating, but once you understand what it needs, it's a great vegetable to add to your cool season garden. Give it cooler temperatures, plenty of sunlight, healthy soil, consistent water, and enough room to grow. Then keep watching that center head, because when those buds are tight and firm, it's harvest time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Soil to Harvest, and tell us in the comments. Have you ever tried growing broccoli at home? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next garden.